Welcome back. Okay, we've finally made it to the fifth and final part of this explainer series based on the MLOps tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. Over the last four parts, we laid all the groundwork. So today, our goal is transitioning you, our non-technical senior leadership, from simply understanding MLOps to actually executing it. Let's look at the future of your AI initiatives.
Okay, let's dive into this. Chapter 5 makes a massive promise right out of the gate. It argues that MLOps isn't just about fixing your day-to-day operational headaches, right? It's literally the essential framework to future-proof your AI investments. Think of it as the strategic engine that ensures the resources you deploy today are going to continue driving real, tangible business value well into the future. Section 1. Sustained innovation and growth. And this brilliantly illustrates the roadmap we're using, which comes directly from Virtualization Options LLC. They're a Colorado-based technology research and advisory firm, and their research makes one thing absolutely clear. Setting up robust, automated, and governed machine learning pipelines is simply non-negotiable. It's the key that finally lets your organization step out of that experimental AI sandbox and step into long-term competitiveness. Section 2. Exploring advanced concepts.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is since we covered basic pipeline operations in the earlier chapters, we get to look at the really cutting-edge stuff now. We're talking explainable AI, responsible AI, and edge MLOps. Now, you might be thinking these are just technical weeds for your engineering team to get lost in, but actually, scratch that. For you, the business leaders, these concepts represent pure bottom-line business value.
Let's take explainable and responsible AI, for example. In plain English, this basically means pushing the boundaries of what AI can do for you while making absolute sure your models stay entirely ethical and accountable. Think of this as your executive safety net. You get all that cutting-edge innovation, but you maintain absolute trust and governance as you scale without sacrificing regulatory compliance or your brand's hard-earned reputation. And then we have Edge MLOps. This is where you run advanced AI directly at the edge of your operations. So think like a sensor on a busy factory floor or right on a customer's mobile device instead of sitting on some distant centralized server. It's absolutely the next massive wave of AI capability. But, and this is a big but, you can really only embrace it safely once your core MLOps foundation is rock solid. Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 3, actionable next steps. So we've painted this wide, compelling vision of the future, right? But now let's drastically narrow the focus to a pragmatic execution plan for Monday morning. Here are the 5 steps you need to take. 1. Conduct a readiness assessment to find where your gaps are. 2. Define a pilot project. 3. Form a cross-functional task force. 4. Invest in training. And 5. Establish those clear communication channels. So the crucial point is actually step number 2, defining that pilot project. You literally cannot try to boil the ocean here. Instead, pick a small, tightly scoped, highly impactful machine learning project to test out your new MLOps practices. Why? Well, because demonstrating value early on secures quick wins. It builds organizational confidence and it proves real ROI without totally overwhelming your budget. Which brings us right to steps 3 and 5, the task force and communication. Look, you cannot do this in a silo. You have to align your data scientists, your ML engineers, and IT operations directly with executive leadership. By championing this adoption together and sharing progress openly, you're making sure everybody is pulling toward the exact same business goals. Executing this exact strategic framework provided by the research at Virtualization Options LLC is what makes the journey to mature MLOps a reality. Just remember, transitioning your AI from cool science experiments into robust, scalable, value-generating assets, it requires sticking strictly to this phased, structured approach. Which leaves us with one final, pretty powerful question based on everything we've covered in this 5-part explainer. Is your organization actually ready to operationalize the future? The blueprint is literally in your hands right now, so it's time to initiate that readiness assessment and just start the journey. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and best of luck executing your strategic MLOps vision.